So, you've decided to take the leap and start investing with StashAway. That's awesome. But how long does it actually take for your hard-earned money to show up in your investment portfolio? Let's dive right in. Understanding the deposit process. When you make a deposit on StashAway, it typically goes through a few steps. Initiating the deposit. This is the part where you, the investor, input the amount you want to deposit and confirm the transaction. Bank verification. Once you initiate the deposit, StashAway needs to verify the transaction with your bank. This is a standard procedure to ensure security and prevent fraudulent activities. Fund transfer. After the verification, the funds are transferred from your bank account to StashAway's investment platform. How long does each step take? While the exact time can vary depending on several factors, such as your bank's processing time and the specific payment method you're using, here's a general breakdown. Initiating the deposit. This is usually quite quick, often taking just a few minutes. Bank verification. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of business days. Fund transfer. Once the verification is complete, the fund transfer is typically processed within the same business day. Factors affecting deposit times. Several factors can influence the overall deposit time. Bank processing time. Different banks have different processing speeds. Some banks are faster than others. Payment method. The payment method you choose can also impact the processing time. Bank transfers generally take longer than direct debits or card payments. StashAway system status. Occasionally, technical glitches or system maintenance can cause delays. Tips to speed up the deposit process. Here are a few tips to ensure a smoother and faster deposit process. Choose a faster payment method. Opt for methods like direct debit or card payments, as they are generally processed quicker than bank transfers. Double-check your bank details. Ensure that you've entered your bank details correctly to avoid delays caused by incorrect information. Stay updated with StashAway status. Keep an eye on your StashAway account for any updates or notifications regarding your deposit. While the exact deposit time can vary, StashAway generally processes deposits efficiently. By understanding the factors affecting deposit times and following the tips mentioned above, you can ensure a smooth and timely investment experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.